Hey guys, I got a package in the mail and I know what it is. It is my GoPro head strap. I got it in the mail today. So I ordered it like Tuesday, so it came today. No, Monday I ordered it, yeah. So yeah, let's order it. Okay. Oh, there it is. It is here. GoPro head strap. Yeah. Alright, there it is. Let's untape this. There it is, okay. It is the one GoPro head strap plus quick clip that attaches to a baseball cap. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. Okay. I like the packaging, it's nice. Oh, it slides on and I did it backwards. Okay, this is what you get. That strap. Whoa, someone packaged it really good. And we got the clip. Could probably clip this on. Oh. Whoa. What's this foam thing for? And it goes in baseball cap. We'll test it out later. Alright. This is cool rubber bands. GoPro did. Put them in the box. Yeah, we just. Oh, this is what we get. GoPro. So yeah, it looks cool. And you put the GoPro right there. Let's put it on. My GoPro's over there. I'll be right back. So this is how you unscrew it, and then you screw it in like this. It's easy, step by step. Just unscrew it, put your GoPro in, and there it is. Let's test it out if it fits my head, and it does. Whoa, this is cool. Thumbnail. This is pretty cool. Yeah. Well, I think it will fit over a hat or a helmet because it's spongy. You can stretch it. But on my head, I have a big head and it fits perfectly without tightening it. And yeah, I look like a doctor. Yeah. Whoa. Alright, so yeah, that's it. I'll test out this thing. I'll be right back with my hat. I am back with two hats. Yeah. So let's see. I have my new one that I just got from my school, a Nike golf hat. Still have the tag on it. I think this clip is, I think, meant for putting on these kind of caps that doesn't have the strap on the back. I think so. See, yeah, it slides in. It's supposed to be like that. And you wear it backwards and have your GoPro. Oh, that's what the foam is for. It touches your skin. That's what it's for. I think you can put it on the bill of the cap, can't you? Oh, yes, you can. Yeah, you can. I'll probably keep it on the bill because, yeah. Let's see one of these. This is what I'm talking about, like one of these. I don't think it will work because it's, see, it won't work that much. Maybe a little bit, maybe, I don't know. Probably not. But the bill works. Probably keep this on this baseball cap because I use this one the most. Puts the GoPro right there. So yeah, that is the video of the unboxing and review of the head strap mount. So yeah, I actually like it. It feels nice, comfortable. So you can do hands-free if you're like cleaning a knife or you're holding a knife. You can have a video on your head. So yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And see you in the next video. Peace out.